Hayi ngiyalibingelela lonke bafethu. Sisi Jacinta nawe Phakela Umthakathi nongizwe. Ngiyalibulisa ngiyalibingelela nonke bafethu. And ngithanda nje ukuthi ngithi mina I am from Zimbabwe. Ngingumntaka Mzilikazi kaMashobana. Akanduba kalotshe. Kalobhengula. Kasoshanga ayikasoshanga ka Mzilikazi. Kashabalala. Sidabuka le KwaZulu. Sikhamba KwaZulu. Sesiphila la eZimbabwe kuBulawayo. Mfowethu Phakela Umthakathi. Nawe Sis Jacinta. Into eniyenzayo right. Ngize eGoli 1991. Nginomfowethu siwashona. Udade wabo unikezwe ama drugs ngama Nigeria. Why is it Thailand? I think yakuse Thailand lapha afela khona. Bathi ha wena ungwesonto bekungumfundisi lo muntu lo, a pastor, a church pastor. Kodwa besenza izidakamizwa. Wathatha lo sisi lo wathi uzoya esontweni Nigeria, wathi Brazil, engazi lo sisi ukuthi uthwaliswa ama drugs. Wabanjwa nama drugs eThailand. Death sentence 1993-92. Bambulala eThailand. Ngiyamazi lo sisi uDogo. Why? Ngabantu bokufika ama Nigeria baza nama drugs eSouth Africa. What you are doing, Jacinta, nawe Phakela Umthakathi nongizwe. Ngesilungu bathi bona, if what you are living for is not worth dying for, is not even worth living for. Uma into iphilela ungazimiselanga ukuthi ikubulale, that thing is not even supposed to be lived for. Uyabona iSouth Africa iphelile bafowethu. Let's be honest. That country is dying because of drugs. 1991 be ingekho le nonsense esehibhola. Jamestown, Beria, Springs, Pretoria, Soshangube, you can name it, Durban, KwaMashu, bengekho lento yonke le. But abantu bokufika, they've infested South Africa with drugs. eZimbabwe besingawazi ama drugs. KoBulawayo besingazi ama drugs. Aze ngabantu bokufika eNigeria. And mina ngithi bafowethu, let's try to find common ground labantu bakoBulawayo. Asibona abantu abahamba izidakamizwa. Siza nje eGoli uzosebenzela. Yebo kunabagangayo bakhona. But kabangene ijele. Bantu bakoBulawayo bafowethu, into enziwa ngabo Jacinta, into enziwa ngabo Phakela Umthakathi, naye wonke umuntu oyenza akwenza about abahambe, they're doing a good thing for the future of that country. I can't picture what I am seeing. Ngibone le video yakho mfowethu Phakela Umthakathi when you were showing drug addicts and you were praying. I cried. I cried, literally I cried. Why? Nino Mendeza. I-conscience yami yangitshela ukuthi what you are doing the right thing. And continue. Even if it means causing chaos but you are doing the right thing. We cannot allow decay in the society because of abantu bokufika. You know, ubona ngokwabo. You know, I remember in 1992, mbona beshaya omunye okufika Nigeria bamshaya. Ngathi why bamshaya bathi thina ale Nigeria sizokunikeza ama drugs wena ukuthi waphuze udakwe. Thina singabona umuntu weNigeria ewathatha siyamshaya ngoba they are bad. But bafuna abantwana bethu Zimbabweans and South Africans ukuthi babe ngama addicts. Well, have you ever seen these problems among bona Abuja ukuthi wakazi ukuthi kune problem yama drug? Ayikho. Because they know that drugs are not good for the mind of a young person. But baza na ukuthi and thina sithi phakela umthakathi Jacinta kwasha kwacima. You are doing the right thing. Keep it up.